Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. స్మైల్ చేసి ఇప్పుడే లేచారా?
ఇప్పుడే లేచింది పాప.
వచ్చారా అన్నయ్య?
Hello. So today I will be continuing. Yesterday I started live class, and I'm in class 12 preparing for JEE. I have. Hello. Yeah, please join. This particular class is exclusively for ninth class. If you are having Berserk, you can download your my app, Dear Teacher app. Then I'll try to clear your concepts. Okay, so download Dear Teacher app from the Google Play Store and connect with me so that I can. I'll try to give clear your doubts. This particular class is exclusively for ninth class. So let me start my class. Yesterday I have started lines and angles. Okay, lines and angles I have started, and I have explained a linear pair axiom. Okay, lines and angles. So I'll continue that concept. So lines and angles. So yesterday I was just clearing a linear pair of axiom. So every axiom you can understand in two ways. Let me explain uh, the two ways. For example, there is a line, and there is one more line falls on it. So then there are two angles. This is one angle, and this is another angle. And these one angle 1 and angle 2 falls on a line, straight line. So these 1 and 2 form linear pair. LP, I'll write LP. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. This is one way of understanding uh, Berserk. Because as I am busy with online class, you can connect with me through my online app so that I can guide you and I can help you. Right? Thank you. This is one way of understanding linear pair. The other way is there are two angles, two adjacent angles. Linear pair, these two should be, pairs should be adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So, one angle will be like this. This is, let us say, one angle 1, and one more angle is like this. Okay, I am unable to draw it properly, but I will make it. Okay, so this is O. Let us say this is OA, and this is OB, and this is a OC. So now AOB is not a line. AOB is not line in the beginning, not line. So there are two different adjacent angles. There are two these 1 and 2 forming just adjacent angles. So OB and OA are non-common arms, right? So if 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees, so then AOB will become line. That means the non-common arms form a line when angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Here first line is given, then the angles are 180 degrees. Here angles are 180 degrees, then the non-common arms form a linear pair. I hope you have understood. Let me go to the next question. So vertically opposite angles, pair of vertically opposite angles. This is also a very, very important pair of angles, vertically opposite angles. So first understand what are vertically opposite angles. There are two lines, and two lines are intersecting. When there are two lines, there are only two possibilities. One, they may be intersecting. The other one is they may be parallel. So when two lines intersecting, there are four angles formed. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four angles are formed. So then 1 and 3, the pair angle 1 and angle 3, they are opposite to each other and they are vertically opposite. So we call it as vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. There is another pair, 2 and 4 also, angle 2 and angle 4 is also one more vertically opposite angles, pair of vertically opposite angles. It is also one pair of opposite angles. Manushri Teja, good morning. Nothing 360, good morning. So when two lines are intersecting, then there will be two pairs are vertical, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. So now the theorem is vertically opposite. The theorem says, it is not axiom, theorem. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is the theorem. In the textbook also it is given. First theorem. So prove that vertically opposite angles are there. That means this 1 and 3 should be equal and 2 and 4 should be equal. We have to prove that these two pairs are equal. So for that, let us do the proof. Now angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to, these two sum is equal to 180 degrees because they lie on the line L, linear pair. So I can write in simple linear pair axiom. Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. In the same way, 2 and 3 are also, 2 and 3 is also equal to 180 degrees because these two are also lying on the line M. So because they lie on a line, 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees. So we call this reason is linear pair axiom. Now these two equations are there, one first equation and second equation, and then right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides are equal. 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So 2 is same on both sides, we can cancel it. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So this is a first pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Then how do you prove 2 is equal to 4? Same way. Again 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. I am not writing reasons and everything, just I am showing you. And 1 plus 4 is equal to 180 degrees. So that means these two things we have taken and these two things we have taken. So then what happens? 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4. So 1 will get cancelled. 2 is equal to 4. In the examination, how it will be given? Prove that each pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Then you have to do both pairs equal. Suppose if it is asked only prove that vertically opposite angles are equal, you can do one. Similarly, we can prove the second also. But you have to understand the question very clearly. Prove that each pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. So you have to do both the things. Right? అలా కాకుండా ఓన్లీ ప్రూవ్ దట్ vertical opposite angles are equal అంటే కనుక అప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి చేసి సిమిలర్లీ వీ కెన్ ప్రూవ్ దాట్ ఆల్సో. సో ఇట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ద క్వశ్చన్. సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థియరమ్. So based on this we have an exercise. We will go to the exercise. So all of you must be having this type of book. So I am opening lines and angles chapter, and I am opening 6.1 exercise. If you are having the textbook, please open 6.1 exercise. So now 6.1 exercise is completely related to exercise 6.1. Is completely related to the problems which I have explained just now, based on linear pair axiom, and also vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us do one by one questions. Question number one. In the figure, he has already given the figure. Let me draw the figure. AOB is a line AOB. Draw the figure nicely using scale and the pencil. So AOB is a line, AB is a line, and CD is one more line, and both are intersecting at O, C, and D. CD is one more line intersecting at O, and there is one ray at O, OE, in such a way, OE. So that means given, what is given? AB intersect, AB and CD are lines intersect at O. This is given, intersect at O, plus angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. No, let me find out AOC from the figure. This is AOC. I will write small a plus small b is equal to 70 degrees. I am writing, I am just changing the notation to the smaller one. Okay. I hope all the things are given. In my mobile, it's not coming. Can anybody give me my board is visible? I have started writing something. Okay. Can anybody respond to my hi so that I will continue? Hello. Please respond to my hi. Okay. Okay, okay. So, a plus b is equal to 180 degrees. So, I will write not 180, not 180. AOC is A, BOE, and this is B. And these two angles sum together is 70 degrees. And BOD is equal to, angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. So, let us find out BOD from this BOD. And this is how much? 40 degrees. Okay. So then he asked two things required to find. One is angle BOE you have to find out, and the second one is reflex of COE, reflex angle COE. That means you have to find out the BOE. BOE means this one is how much, and COE means this is let us say C. This is also you have to find out. Okay. Now let us go to the solution. Let us go to the solution. Now a plus b, we have only two things are given. B plus C plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Because they fall on a one line, linear parallelogram. Okay. And A is equal to 40 degrees. This is vertically opposite angles. Whatever is available now, you can write it out. Okay. So these two things we can easily write from our concepts, right? There is one more thing. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Even they are also on the line. So this is also linear pair angle. Ultimately, we need two question marks are given. We need to find out B, and we need to find out so very simple. A plus B is equal to 70 degrees. It is given already. In that already A we got 40 degrees. A is equal to 40 and B is equal to 70 minus 40. So then 30 degrees. Now these are the things we can write from our concepts. So now we got B. First answer is done. And we have to get C. Now put this A and B value, B and C value here. So B plus C plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So in that B value I will be putting 30 plus C plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees, and C is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110. So now we got C also. So that means angle COE is equal to 110 degrees. So now reflex is how much? Reflex COE is equal to 360 degrees minus 110 degrees, which is equal to 250 degrees. So this is how we have to do. Okay, you should be able to apply the concepts and everything properly. Now I am going to do all the problems in my coming class. Okay, tomorrow I am going to complete this entire exercise. So come tomorrow. Let me see you tomorrow, and download my app. And if you are downloading your app, I want you to give the information also, so that I will add you into my batches, so that I can help you in giving practice problems. NCERT problems textbook is having a less number of problems. Okay, so with that problems you will not be getting the best marks, so you have to do some extra problems. Connect with me, I will be giving you practice problems and etc. Download a Dear Teacher app from Google Play Store. So subscribe my channel, share this to your friends, so you don't need to go to tuition. You can directly learn with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.